Welcome, Learning Sheets, to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about and teach you how you can crush it, bro, and make racks. Let me show you some racks real quick for demonstration purposes. That's $50K in prop money, baby. Now, if you want to see some real money, that's $23,000 in 7 days. Let me refresh the screen real quick. Boom, baby. Look at this. It doesn't matter if you have a Crakrevenue account or not. All you need is something to sell, and you're going to make money because this traffic is so freaking cheap, bro. Check this out. Now, one of the best sites out here for adult marketing, it's super duper cheap. It's called Exoclick here. And I can't go to the website. I tried several times, but I had to pause the video because it's not loading. Okay, so it's probably going to load for you in the future here. They must be doing some technical stuff on the site. But this site is crazy. They literally have so cheap a traffic and so many options you can do. Pop under, you can do freaking push notification, you can do email traffic, and you can do banner traffic, video traffic, etc. It's just crazy, man. There's so much to do. Okay, so since we're just showing Google here, let's just show us actual site here. So this one's PlugRush right here. And PlugRush, they're a smaller kind of traffic source, but they do have tons of traffic. They're just smaller in comparison to these other ones. But I've made a lot of money at PlugRush in the beginning when I started doing pop under traffic. And I'd send people to YouTube videos. It's a whole entire crazy method, one of the best methods in the entire world. And it makes me every single week over $10,000 every single week. And I use PropellerAds to do it nowadays for pop under traffic, but I used to use PlugRush in the beginning. So anyway, PlugRush is very powerful. I love this site because it opened my mind to so much, and I tested so much stuff thanks to them. I'll explain in this video how to actually, leverage all these traffic sources. I'm just kind of showing you them right now. This one's JuicyAds. JuicyAds has huge amounts of volume, and they have all the ad placements you could possibly want, and they are direct media buy, which means you go directly to a person through them who own, and these people who you go to basically buy ad space on their websites. These can be blog websites, picture websites, video websites, etc. And you can buy advertising on them. You can also buy pop under. So here you go. There's the banner ads and the pop under ads you can buy here. They have a lot of websites, a lot. Okay, 222,000 to be exact. And billions of impressions per month. So they're a very, very big network. Okay, so here's PropellerAds. I use this site like crazy. I have like $30,000 just on it right now. But I didn't want to log in. I have to blur stuff out. But you can check out my other videos and stuff like that. Okay, so PropellerAds, they're actually not fully like an adult network, but for traffic, but they're a lot of mainstream, and they have just tons of volume of traffic. So the different things you can do: post notification, on-click ads, this is pop under, and then in-page push, and interstitials or whatever. I still don't know how to pronounce that, and I don't even really do that for any marketing. But anyway, they got 40 million users for that. They got 150 for that one, and a billion for the pop under, and then push notification 600 million. They have a lot of quality traffic too. So this is one of my favorite ad platforms by far. It's a lot of a big affiliates' favorite traffic sources. Okay, so if you were to do any one of those traffic sources, here is Crakrevenue, and I just want to show you different offers you can test and do with Crakrevenue that you can crush it with. So if we just sort by EPC here, okay, so all these offers have a higher earnings per click on average than other offers. And so you can make money testing all these ones. I've made money with the bulk of these ones, okay? The thing is, guys, like this offer right here, you could say, oh, this one's great. This one probably works great. I would say this one specifically, the top one, this would probably work better with like free traffic, like YouTube traffic, or any social media traffic in general, just content marketing. As for this one's just for France, so you'd want to do paid ads. Anything that's like a country-specific thing and not like global, you really, really want to do paid ads for, and that's about the only way to do it. So anything that allows traffic globally, you can do great content marketing for, okay? And that's how you can really make some good money. Like I said, ultimately what it comes down to is you have to test different offers, but the offers that do work are just offers that are ultimately great. And I know this just sounds super simple and stuff, and like I'm not like saying anything too advanced, but that's how you make money. You test things that you assume will work great, that are top offers, but a lot of times they don't work. And that's why you have to test a lot of different offers. But these cam offers, they can definitely work for sure. This one's one of the most popular ones. This one has made Crakrevenue a lot of money. So this is a newer offer. This one makes money, but in the future it may be gone. Okay, so ultimately it comes down to testing. This offer's big. This offers a pay-per-sale offer. It's a game. So what you really, really want to do, but with Pop Under, I don't really go crazy with just promoting specific offers with Pop Under. I go crazy promoting specific offers with banner traffic. And so if you want to do Exoclick, for example, like right here, you can do banner traffic with Exoclick and crush it. Or you can do it with JuicyAds. But this is Pop Under right here, which is PlugRush, and you can't do any offers with PropellerAds. And how I make money with PropellerAds and PlugRush in the past, I did PlugRush, is I would send people from PlugRush to YouTube videos and make AdSense revenue and traffic arbitrage. Nowadays, I do it with PropellerAds every week. I don't do it every day on purpose because you want to build up advertisers on your cash cow channel. So you just literally find any offer you want, and then you create advertising and packaging and ads and creatives behind, and sometimes even content behind the offers you promote. Then you scale up from there when you have a winning offer, and that's how you really, really crush it. So if you want to test with the smart link, you could do that. You'd want to go broad, and you don't want to do higher cost of traffic like United States, etc., like that. And you want to do Pop Under if you do a smart link. But sometimes smart link will not pay off for you fully, and it's kind of traffic arbitrage in a way, but it's not fully guaranteed because the traffic does still have to buy stuff, convert on stuff. So at the end of the day, it comes down to have a good offer if you do Pop Under, or do the way that I do with Pop Under traffic. The only way I've ever found that works extremely predictably well out of anything. Like I don't even have to test anything anymore. I just set it up. I know it's going to work. I just pay for the traffic, and it takes me 5 minutes to set up, and every week I do it. So that's with Pop Under. Cheapest traffic in the world's Pop Under. And then, ultimately when it comes to banner traffic, you can pick any one of these offers, guys. But like I said, you can make $1 million like I have with Crakrevenue, way over $1 million. You don't have to use Crakrevenue. You could use any freaking CPA network or affiliate network out here. Okay, you can use ClickBank and make tons of money with ClickBank. You could use Digistore, etc. It's just about finding a good offer. And if you create your own offers, that's like the accelerator of accelerators. That will take you from zero to hero super duper fast. And so when you create your own offers, you win. Now, one last thing to show. If you do a high payout offer, yes, that can work and make you a lot of money. High payout offers allow you to spend a lot on traffic. But if the traffic isn't converting, then you're wasting a lot of money. The higher the payout of an offer, like this one right here, it pays out $200. You can test with $200, but if you get no conversions or sales, the problem there is you lost $200. And so it just requires bigger budgets is all I'm saying. So if you're a beginner affiliate, you want to test with lower payout offers, okay? Way lower payout offers. Like freaking, I think this is too small, but it just depends. Like this is a smaller country. But you want to do something like $3 plus or $5. Okay, right here's a good one to test. You can do 16 different geos. So that's a good one right there to test. Who knows if it's going to work out for you, but here's the thing. Any offer works, guys. I want you to understand that any offer works as long as you have enough traffic that's the right traffic. Imagine you could pay for traffic and every single person who clicks on your freaking ad actually goes ahead and they actually instantly convert on the offer because you're buying the exact people that will convert on the offer. That's true power right there. Obviously, it's practically impossible because the internet is so broad you don't know who's going to click on your link, and that's why you just have to go off the numbers game and pay for the traffic, whatever it is, and make sure you have good marketing and great offers in place, and you win. So anyway, this video was pretty long. This is how you make money with like cheap traffic, adult traffic, and you could use any platform to monetize with or make your own products and services. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Check out more videos. Peace out, learning machines.